Alright y'all, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of the video, I'm about to install a wig that I got from Aliexpress over my locks. It was requested, so we're just gonna get right into it. So first things first, I want to say all of my wigs come from Aliexpress like 90% of the time. I want to say I haven't paid more than $160 for any of my wigs. All of them are good quality, all of them last long, and every wig that I have is at least 2 years old. So this is the wig. It's a body wave, and I want to say that it's 18 inches. It's a frontal, so she goes from ear to ear. I put my stocking cap on. I just take some, what is it called, edge stuff. What is it? The edge hole stuff. And I just put it on my edges and brush my hair back. Then I take my stocking cap and put my stocking cap on. Then I use the Sally Hansen airbrush legs. And this is how I tint my lace inside of my wig, and I also tint my stocking cap. So I flip my wig inside out. So I ran out of alcohol, but I'm gonna use peroxide, and I'm gonna use this to wipe across my hairline. To apply, I use the Kiss Almighty Bond. So it has a thin tip on one end. Then on the other end, it has a fat tip. So I like to use the thin end to apply, and then the thick end to, and then the thick end to rub it in. So that's the first layer. Once it starts showing clear, like it's starting to, then I'll go in and I apply the second layer. Now you see it's starting to go clear again. And it's not as white, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply the wig, because just like when you apply lashes, you want the glue to get sticky or tacky. You want the same thing with the wigs. So in the back, I have mine tied to the opposite side. That's how it fits tight on my head. So for my baby hairs,
trouble in your mind? Are you doing this just to test me? I'm bad at handling this type of thing. Why I don't get it, you say it's a man thing. Babe, I wanna be around. I just wanna make your heart sing, but you're not letting me get through to you. Yeah. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will love to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will love to take you to a place you've never been. What is trouble in your mind? Babe, why can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride. Wanna be, I wanna give our love wings. You're not letting me, get through to you. Yeah, if you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will love to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will love to take you to a place you've never been before. Why are you going back and forth? I can't keep up with your mood swings. What is trouble in your mind? Are you doing this just to test me? I'm bad at handling this type of thing. Why I don't get it, you say it's a man thing. Babe, I wanna be around. I just wanna make your heart sing, but you're not letting me get through to you. Yeah. this what I'll do. I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I'm willing to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been. What is trouble in your mind? Baby, why can't you just tell me? I just wanna